loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do an updated review of my APC Grace Small Bag. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So like I've mentioned in the beginning of the video, I am going to do an updated review of my APC Grace Small Bag. But before getting into the review, I just want to give you some disclaimer. First of all, I did different videos about this handbag. I'm going to put the link in the description down below so you can go check it out if you haven't already. I did some unboxing video, first review, first impressions, and so on and so forth. And then second disclaimer is, I already want to stop all of you those who are, waiting for a review after using the handbag daily for a whole year, because this is not the case. This review is mainly, my updated review after using it since I have purchased it, because as you can see in the background, I have different handbags. So in short, I tend to rotate my handbags. The maximum I think that I use my handbag for a longer period is for a whole week. And then afterwards, I change handbags. I mostly change my handbags every 2 days. Let's say it like that. So if you are waiting for a review of the handbag after using it daily for a whole year, unfortunately, this is not the video for you. So you can click out. But if you're still interested to know what my thoughts are after using it, since I have purchased it, then just stay tuned. So I am going to be quite quick with this review, I think. I'm just going to show you first of all. So this is how the handbag looks like after quite a time. It's still in a good condition, as you can see. Why? Because as you can see in the background, I tend to put my handbags inside my cabinet like so, and since I am mainly rotating my handbags, it enables them to breathe in a certain way. They are not in a dust bag, and then also the fact that they are inside a cabinet, there are no dust. So yeah, so that's the first thing. So I've been able to maintain the handbag in a good condition in that way. And then secondly, I generally put my handbag, just this one at least, just like so in my in the closet, and normally inside, but I just took it out. I still have this inside the box, inside the bag, and I also have the dust bag and so on, but I took it off just to show you that how the inside looks like. Just a sec. There we go. So that's how the inside looks like. So in short, the fact that I store them in an opened, let's say, because it's not closed, so there's still some light coming in. And then since I am rotating my handbags, when the fact that I use different handbags on a monthly basis or in a weekly basis, they kind of like breathe like that, and then they are not just stuffed inside a dust bag. So it tends to make the leather breathe. So I think that is one of the fact that I have been able to keep the handbag in a good condition. But the thing though is, like I've mentioned on my last video about the handbag, it is a smooth leather. Whatever the price is, currently it is 680 euros, which is quite expensive, to be honest. I think when I purchased it, it's a little less. So it kind of had an updated price. But since it's a smooth leather, whatever it is, whatever the price is, it could be expensive or not expensive. If it's a smooth leather, it will definitely scratch. You can use it daily or once a month or once a year. If you have an accident, it will scratch. I don't know if you will be able to see in here. I'm just going to show you. Maybe not that much, but when I've opened the handbag, my nails, especially when you have this kind of nails, I kind of like scratch it here. And I was like, ah! So yeah, wear and tear. It can scratch and it will scratch and it has scratched. But afterwards, what I do is I just pass my finger on it so that the scratch won't be that light. So yeah, so that is one of the wear and tear of the handbag. And then the second wear and tear that is very visible with this specific handbag, and most of the APC handbag or other handbags that has this kind of like, you know, big buckle, is first and foremost, sorry if you have some reflections, but as you can see, there will be some scratches. That is inevitable, and there will be some fingerprints and so on and so forth. So I kind of like try my best to pass my hand on it or a cloth, but nevertheless it has scratch. But I kind of like still manage for it to be in a good condition, because like I have said in the beginning of the video, I have used the handbag but not on an everyday basis. So I think that is also why my handbag is still in a good condition. And as you can see, even the strap still, you know, kind of like stiff, because I do not use it every day, but I did use it. And by using it, it has scratches on the hardware, scratches on the handbag. But other than that, to be honest, the handbag is great. Very easy to use, to wear, and very handy. I can put it as a shoulder bag. I can lengthen the strap so I can use it as a crossbody, just to show you. But normally in crossbody it's a little bit more, you know, longer. So yeah, and then the inside of the handbag, since it's kind of like, you know, a suede kind of finishing, see, it also has some wear and tear there, which is normal too. So all in all, in short, I think the wear and tear of this handbag, even though it is a smooth leather and I haven't used it on a daily basis, sorry for repeating, because I just want that to be, you know, clear, I think it kind of like held really well, because I store it in a way that will not pick up dust and will not suffocate in a dust bag, and I use it. So there you go. So that is my quick wear and tear of the handbag. Do I suggest the handbag still, even with the price point? Yes, because it's very handy, very versatile. The color combo, I like it. So yeah, the only bummer is, yeah, it can scratch hardware and the leather, whatever the price tag as well, expensive or not, all the handbags, one way or another, will have those wear and tear, scratches and such. But nonetheless, I love the handbag. I'm keeping it. I'm still using it, and I will still use it. So there you go. There you go, guys. That was my updated review of my APC Grace Small Bag. I hope that this has answered some of the queries on my previous videos. If you had other more questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them if I can. And I hope that this video has entertained you in a certain way. And if you have liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And for those of you who like the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please free to click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. So until then, I hope you all stay safe and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.